Hi, my name's Anne from Orchid Systems, and today I'm going to run through the different modules which can display information in the alert box. We can use notes to display free format text. This text can be as long as you want, can contain rich text formatting, can contain hyperlinks and even pictures. We can also display info set comments, reference and description, and we're one click away from showing the optional fields or the structured data associated with an info set. We can also display documents which are stored on the file share or in SharePoint using Document Management Link. And using Extender in conjunction with notes, we can display information from anywhere in Sage 300 or any system. On the OE screen in Orc Limited, we see the Information Manager alert box has a heading showing the company and the screen it is attached to. It is coloured as per the underlying company colours. It can be pinned to the underlying screen or unpinned, in which case the two screens can be moved independently. This is useful if you want to put the alert box on a second screen. It can be resized, and for any of the components that are being displayed in the alert box, if the contents are too long to show in the calculated space that particular note has, you can scroll down. Opening Orking 2 and looking at the GL batch, we can see the alert box color has changed to blue, and we are now seeing the journal entry notes as configured for this company. Back in Orc Ltd and using the order entry screen as an example, we can see the configuration is done against the field label and the associated data value. For example, customer NO full stop and 1200. You can configure against any text field, but not a drop-down or a checkbox or a radio button. You can configure against one field or against two fields which are shown on the screen at any one time. For example, customer, customer and ship to, customer and item. The alert box can show 4 different types of boxes or 4 different types of information. The first one is a free format text box. For example, customer, customer ship to, customer and item. The note can be as long as you want. It has a configurable background color, can have rich text formatting, and you can scroll down to view the contents of the note if they are too long to show at the same time. Viewing the item detail screen, we can see the notes configured for the item number. Here you can see we can have hyperlinks to documents, and clicking on the hyperlink will open the associated document. You can also have pictures or just text. When storing pictures, you should not store many pictures or have very large pictures, as all this information is stored in the database. The second type of information that can be shown in the alert box are the results of extender scripts. For example, in this case, we're showing the AR credit status for the customer 1200. When displaying extender scripts, you can embed drill down. For example, drilling into the open orders for customer 1200, and drill through, so double clicking on order 64, for example, it will open up order 64 in a new order entry screen, and the notes associated with order 64 would then be displayed too. Because this order is not for the same item or the same ship to address, we have different notes showing for customer 1200. The third type of information you can display are documents stored either in a file share or on SharePoint. Double-clicking on the documents will open up the document. You can drag and drop the documents from a file share into the configured file share or SharePoint. The fourth type of information that can be displayed in the alert box is the information off an info set. In this case, we have an info set configured to the location 4. In the alert box, you can show the reference, comment, and description, and when you click Edit, you can see the optional fields that have been attached to that info set. In this particular case, the buyer for location 4. We have seen free format text notes as long as we needed, with rich text formatting, hyperlinks, and pictures being displayed in the alert box. We have also seen optional tables, the comment, reference, and description, and one click away, the structured optional fields being displayed in the alert box. We also saw documents from the file share being displayed in the alert box, and Extender, in conjunction with notes, displayed the AR credit status alongside the OE order entry screen. Please go to orchid.systems for additional videos on how to configure these different components of Information Manager to show information in the alert box. There you will also find product downloads, sample data, training guides, and how to contact us. Thanks for watching this video.